Let's look at final exam question number 40, found on page 241 of Everyday Math Demystified second edition. We have these two numbers. They're endless repeating decimal numbers, and we want to multiply them. We know that these are rational numbers, and I'll tell you why in a minute. If we try to multiply these numbers like that, the longhand way, we find ourselves confronted with an impossible task, because you're always supposed to start on the right and work your way to the left, but there is no right-hand side to these numbers. They go on forever. You can take a calculator and put these numbers in there until the display is full and multiply them and get a decimal result, but how do we know that the product of these two things is a rational number? Well, if you'll remember how to convert endless decimals, endless repeating decimals to rational numbers, you'll know that the top quantity is equal to 1/9. The bottom quantity is equal to 2/9. Now we get a hint in the question. When we want to multiply two fractions like that, we multiply their numerators to get the new numerator, in this case 2, and we multiply their denominators to get the new denominator, in this case 81. So we know that the product of these two numbers is a rational number, because the definition of a rational number is the ratio of some integer to some positive integer. Well, that's an integer, and that's a positive integer, and that's a ratio. So 2/81, or 2 parts in 81, is the product. And choice B in this question tells us exactly that. 1/9 times 2/9 equals 2/81. So the correct choice here is B.